Damn!
Let's make some Peruvian chicken. I'm gonna be taking some creative liberties here. It shall be spicy. Some salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic, comino, and some Mexican oregano. If you grate the garlic, I don't think you need to use as much. Avocado oil. We're gonna whisk it. Yeah, buddy. Taste a little bit. It is salty. I'm gonna use some agave. Much better. I'm gonna cut out the excess skin. Won't need any of that. I want to get even marinade, so I'm gonna make some slits in here. Get in here with my hands and manually massaging the marinade. More fresh. Give it another mix. Cover it. Put it in the fridge. We're gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna get going on our special ají verde sauce with a twist. Right there. Cause we ain't scared of no spice. Give me them seeds. More garlic. Probably about this much. Next, we're gonna get some Mexican crema, some mayonesa. We'll put a little bit of that chicken sauce, black pepper, Chilean olive oil. It has the Parmesan cheese, so we're gonna put some of that in here. And by some, I mean a lot. But wait, there's more. Fish sauce, just a little bit. Golden Mountain seasoning with a green top. Need some more cream, because it is a little thin. Some more cream, a little more mayo. Touch of agave. Oh, there's the spicy. Yeah. More Parmesan.
This next part was super simple. You just preheat your air fryer to 400, 20 minutes, flip it halfway through at 10 minutes, temp it to make sure it's okay. If it's off, you only need an extra minute or two, and that's it.